Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get money fast in Roblox Emergency Response step by step. Spawn as a medic or cop, choose high-value calls, and move quickly between scenes. Focus on patient saves and vehicle recoveries to earn steady payouts, and use a fast vehicle to shave travel time. Team up with other players to handle more calls, and always grab bonus objectives for faster cash. In this video, I will show how to get money fast in Roblox Emergency Response step by step. Start by selecting the role that matches current call types and your playstyle. Medics give steady income from saves, while police can net larger sums through vehicle recoveries. Keep an eye on spawn timers and switch roles if a different job yields more calls. Communicate with teammates to cover more zones and increase total earnings. In this video, I will show how to get money fast in Roblox Emergency Response step by step. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Enjoy voice control and smart mapping for hands-free tidying while you grind in-game. It's a fun time saver that keeps your setup clean between sessions. If you like this tip, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to get money fast in Roblox Emergency Response step by step. Move fast between calls and accept ones that are close together to minimize idle time. Use map markers and chat to coordinate with teammates so you can split tasks and handle more incidents. Always aim to complete bonus objectives like extra saves or equipment recoveries to boost each payout and speed up your overall cash flow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.